I always love to work in public space because it's like super direct with the people who walk by. And I'm a sculptor, so I like to work with many different materials. I also work a lot with stone and with metal and with the traditional sculpting materials. And then at some point, you also want to explore other things. So I explored a lot of different materials, so it could be very, it depends. Every material has in itself a little bit of a voice or a language that can be heard. So in that case, it was Lego bricks, which carry in itself a little bit this idea of playing, and a lot of people all over the world know the toy and they've touched it. And it opens a possibility of reflecting also about the public space, right? So it's a possibility to say, okay, we have architecture and we have these plastic bricks. With the plastic bricks, you learn architecture. And what would it make if you would combine the two? And with the whole background of, there is graffiti, there is vandalism, there is publicity, advertising, everything is very colorful. And then, of course, the people inside. So it makes a lot of sense to repair the walls. If you think like this, it makes a lot of sense to repair the walls with these kind of bricks. And then I installed them and people got positive reactions, positive emotions from it. Then I fixed it, and then people wanted to participate because they love to spend time also in public space. It depends a little bit from city to city or from country to country. And here a lot of people have asked me while I was sitting on the boulevard doing my work if they could participate. And so I said, okay, we're going to make a day before I leave. I have to go soon to the airport. Before I leave, we're just going to go to this wall here in front of the Sniper Tower and also work a little bit together. There are different cities where normally, either people just drop by and don't or walk by, and sometimes they stop and they ask. In Mostaru, they've stopped and they asked, and they brought me iced tea and they brought me pancakes. So it's been quite special actually in Mostaru. Thank you so much, Mostaru.